Another camping trip. We're all ready. Mo na akong tinahi nga awning, guys. Oh.
Guys, oh.
Diba? Limpyo ka ay pagkatahi.
Isay na guys. Para na nagyan ng water.
Oh. Okay ra, oy. Kat, na kay kuan gunting. Kuan mo gunting. Okay, gunting dala dere. Hala, wa di ni nabutngan og sealant oh. Kining agianan sa tahi. Limpyo kaayo no. Grabe ka straight pagkatahi. Whatever, basta kay na awning. Bagged awning. Yan, napag-i-extra. Whatever.
Yeah.
What's it called? The fried brown sugar banana.
Yeah.
Hold it, hold.
Doon ya. Tiny, hi. We're going camping again. Hold. Oh, hold. Oh, hold. Kini mo napili.
Dili.
Kini. Plus clean man na.
Oh, ganun lang. Remove nozzle first.
Select fuel.
Okay na?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay na.
Okay. Be. It's moving. Bye. Naggasa mi karon. Jane, magtubol na si Junie, Jane. Maglain iyang kuan. Gipainom na og milk.
It's only one. This is 2%, so it's this.
Is it? Let me see.
Yeah, it's 2.
Maglain ba nilang tiyan ana. Kadi na siya.
It's not pure.
Dati may abo. $26 ra. Atog yung tilukon ang gas kay mahal kaayo giatay. $1.44 raman noon karon. Di kaayo siya mahal. $1.44, di ba? Gamay ra atong naggas. It's only $28.36. Not bad. Okay. We're going now. Hulat lang ni sa among driver nga nangihi pa. So, we're stopping again kay mangihi ang dogs. Ha? O mga ero. Tano tarong tain. Tarong. What's that? Yan ang aso kaayo. Accident scene giti ay. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah.
Otherwise, we're gonna have to drive 1,000,000 hours away.
Going ng Sasquatch Mountain Resort.
Ganda mo good?
Naanan sa tumatawag sa bukid, guys.
Hindi guys.
Muna din yung nabuk. Kanina
Kanina ni 15 kilometers kita.
Tumay naman sila yung pakay. Ano?
Hindi ko isa fix.
pasulod na namo among sa among camper. Grabe nga libaong. It's a very nice campsite gyud. Like kanang secluded gyud siya from either or man good. Pwede raman dari.
Siya kay na may uni.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, lagi. Kuan sa ning awning para dito mabasa. Saan man na ni mo ron, di na nakita.
Kailangan i-pick ta.
Base
No.
daw ni Jamie.
Wait, you have
Here
to
you
wait
go.
for daddy. You have to wait for daddy.
I know, it's fine. I'll go
Okay,
through.
this is where I stored my witch stuff, and those are me and Dai's staff.
Unsa pataka?
Okay. No walker.
Mossy forest.
This is the sacred tree. I found the sacred tree, and there's also a lot of other bases. That's the sacred lounge, and that over there is the toilet. This is the sacred tree where I like lay down on.
Yeah, it's very nice. It's very mossy.
Over here.
Yeah. Lots of moss.
This is very comfortable, and when I check,
This is Wood Lake. It's
so then how
perfect.
warm the water is.
The water's actually warm. It's so secluded here. Like, just beautiful. Beautiful spot. Yeah. Very secluded, away from the noise.
Away from the noise, my ada.
Nagsag-ub sa siya. Kay walay tubig din he.
Sabi. What too big by? Off the grid.
Sa po siguro to kasi mana sige niya. Binuangan niyang kuya ba?
Kuya, is that your choice of girl?
It's okay, kuya. Almost done. Barbecue me, guys. Barbecue today. Ah?
Ano ni?
Dugay man tami Monday unya kinahanglan ko internet kay naunsa man to akong boss hindi man gid ko niya ipa. Kaya tayo makaboss. Okay, boss. Pandamay ng trabaho. Ay, ni! Tinda ko aman.
Kinsa man? Agod?
Nasudlag koan. Mananap.
Ilang ato mo luto ang dati. Kuha na siya
Sterilize ra.
Kauraan kuha na. Tuon na kung kagaw.
Just grabe gid ang duha. Ano. Kaya kay si Jane anak nagdismaya ba? Where's tayo?
Pagkuhan. Sige, pupunta na sa dede. Ma.
Girl.
Really? Kuha na gid ako na see. When are we seeing the cousins? The cousins, even cousins day.
Di na mabalik. Kaon lang mo ah.
Now,
Kaon.
Enjoy lang kaon.
now I accepted my past that is probably going to be taller than me, and Kuya is probably going to be taller than me.
Of course I am, because I'm taking pills that make me taller.
Unti mo gina-take day.
Dito og D3.
Mm.
Dito, dito.
Gadi three.
Sa dili lang malapas og 4,000 IU ang ila ibabay. Tag isa raman ka kuan ako 1,000 IU raman to. Tag isa ra tanan sila.
Dito.
Dito og D3.
It has a purple top.
Wait, that. Ang taman ninyo. Inyo namang cable. Breakfast. Breaky. Yay. And then, bulad.
When you were sleeping, you were like, stop dreaming.